Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth, and I wanted to go through today how Twitter is integrating Web3 and the Metaverse into their platform. I wanted to talk about it today and show it to you today because I'm trying to get the foundation stone series of videos covered as an indicator that this has momentum. As much as people out there say, I'm Metaverse, the Metaverse doesn't exist, this isn't happening, nothing's happening. As we look at Instagram bringing in NFTs and now Twitter bringing in NFTs, and NFTs being a staple of the peer-to-peer economy and so closely connected to blockchain and cryptocurrency, it's possible that's the door that opens for the rest of humanity who are going, what's the Metaverse? to walk in through that door. That's my guess. Not 100% sure, but I like to see Web 2 collaborative platforms, user-generated platforms, like Instagram, like Twitter, integrating blockchain-y, NFT, metaverse-y type things in their platform. Around January 2022, so this year, if you're watching in 2022, if you're in the future, hello. Twitter started to integrate for Twitter Blue, the $2.99 a month account, so the paid for account, started integrating hexagons, soft hexagon NFTs, meaning that your profile picture could have a soft hexagon on it, which means that you're into NFTs and you own that NFT. Twitter also said that they've integrated wallets so that you can verify your ownership of the NFT. The wallets are Argent, Coinbase Wallet, which is my main one, Ledger Live, MetaMask, another one I use a lot, Rainbow and Trust Wallet. I don't know if there's any more. That was back in January, but you get the idea. Connect your wallet, verify your NFT. Now you've got a soft hexagon image on your Twitter profile and we're good to go. That was in January. Now we're looking at Twitter tiles. Twitter tiles are verified NFTs posted in messages, or at least a link to the NFT posted in a message so you can see the verified status. This feature is compatible with some marketplaces. Currently, Jump Trade, Magic Eden, Dapper Labs, and Rarible. And I think in my sports and the Metaverse video that I did a few weeks ago, I talked about Rarible and Dapper Labs is coming up. But we're good. That's good. 4. It's currently being tested. Well, that was the tweet from Twitter Labs, Twitter Dev. What's it called? At Twitter Dev. It's not like I haven't been following them for years, but I forgot. And I'll put an image up on the screen so you can see what it looks like. And you can click on See on Marketplace. But they are testing Twitter tiles, NFT Twitter tiles. So thank you for joining me. I hope you found this interesting. And I'll see you in the next foundation video, which is coming up shortly. Thanks. Bye.